My name's Lauren, and I'm gonna be your creative mentor. Are you fresh out of art school or trying to pivot your creative career and you just don't have any idea where to start? A lot of creatives either wonder about the business side of being a creative, or they have no passion for it or don't think about it and don't really know how to start. This is where I come in. I'm gonna tell you about industry standard salaries, what should actually be in your portfolio, how creative professionals view your work, and how to best set yourself up for success in being able to define how you like to work and where you like to work so that you can actually have a creative job that pays your bills. We'll also talk about how weird it is to be an artist and a creative in a system like capitalism and how to balance that out. So if any of this sounds interesting to you or you're just curious about it, I run a weekly podcast called The Creative Mentor. I'll upload it to this channel every week, and you can head over to my Patreon for some free content as well as some premium content to give you a little extra help. So again, if you're fresh out of school or trying to pivot your career, let me help you out so you don't have to waste 7 years to find your dream job like I did.